little video here today. I had seen that Tim, GenCoupeStore.com, finally made something that I could advertise the website, the company, for Tim. I bought it. It was 17 bucks with shipping. It's just a license plate frame. But anyways, you got the Gen Coupe Store symbol, and then that's at the top, and then on the bottom it just says Hyundai, and it is a metal license plate frame, not a plastic one. And I saw that it includes some hardware, so I'll set you down. So I can open this up. Definitely metal. So it looks like Tim gives you new license plate screws. So I think how it goes is alright, so those fit in there like that. Alright, so it looks like put the clear piece on it first, and then that goes in it like that. You screw it down, and then you put the little black cap over it so you don't see the screw hardware. But yeah, just a quick little video showing Tim's GenCoupeStore.com Hyundai metal license plate. So now I get to advertise, and I've been asking him to make stickers for a while. I don't know if he is or not, but that'd be nice too, to have a sticker. But that's it for today's video. Alright, I'm out here getting ready to put the license plate frame on. So like I said, you put the clear little cap thing on first, and then the screw. put the little black things over it. Done.